Hello everybody, this is Shiva from Evolve. Nice meeting you in the beginning of the year. We are at a site and we are taking this opportunity to reveal SMA's newest product. It's Core 2 110 kilowatt for rooftop installations. And this is the inverter and we are going to unbox the inverter in this video. Before we unwrap the inverter, the first thing catches our eye is the packing of this inverter. It weighs around 140 kilos with the packing, and the inverter is so well packed. The inverter weighs around 100 kilos, but with the packing it's 40 kilos extra. And the advantage I see with this packing is that up to 4 inverters can be stacked upon each other, because there is extra reinforcement on the packing, and which allows us to even stack up to 4 inverters. This is a good packing for SMA inverter, because with the previous inverters we had limitations of only up to 2 inverters stacking on one upon the other. This gives an advantage over transportation, because stacking 4 inverters means we can actually transport more inverters in a single lot. So that's an advantage with this packing. Immediately after opening the box, this is what we see. As we have already discussed about, there's a nice reinforcement given for the packing. These things are basically stuck with the packing so that it will not move on transportation. These are the mounting arrangements. They are really heavy. I mean, to hold a 100 kilo inverter, it has to be this heavy. And the best part is again providing handles for the inverter during installation. This is going to help the installers a lot to lift a 100 kilo inverter and hang it on these mounting racks. And there is a box. Let's see what is inside the box. There's this is actually not a manual. It is more e-manual, a simplified form of a manual. But if you will have to download the manual, you have this QR code, which is again given as a sticker. Also, you can stick it on the inverter. So once you scan this QR code, you are directly taken into the website where you can download the manual as a PDF, and which says about installation and commissioning of the inverter. The SunClicks connectors suiting the inverter, the covers for the dummy terminals, and yes, you don't even have to run around for the fasteners or nuts and bolts. It's all provided with the inverter. And this I see as the best part, because most of the time SMA inverters come with this special arrangement. It's a T25 screwdriver. It's very common, but this is not an align key. It's a little bit different from the align keys, and to find it is a little bit difficult. Not in every store you find them, so this is already given with the inverter. That's really nice. There is also an inspection report, factory test report given along with the inverter, which says its serial number and it was tested for all these parameters, and this inverter has met all the parameters. So let's move on inside to see our inverter. So now the inverter is completely unboxed, and really nice inverter, a sturdy one. But now the problem is that it's a 100 kilo inverter, and how do we take it out of the box? You don't have to take the inverter out of the box, but you can actually remove the packing from the inverter. And you fix the handles which are given along with the inverter on the sides, and you can start mounting the inverter. So before you fix the handles to the inverter, there is a dummy screw on the holes. Just remove it and then fix the handles to the inverter. So there are totally 4 handles, 2 to the bottom and 2 to the top. What we see here is the bottom of the inverter with 12 MPPTs and 24 strings. The inverter can be oversized up to 50%, and that's one reason why you have so many strings. And with the modules nowadays, you can easily oversize the inverter with half the number of strings, but yes, you have 12 MPPTs with 24 strings so that you can use any module combination or any combination of tilt angle or orientation on this inverter. And they are divided into 4 DC switches, DC paths I can say, which is very convenient because when there is a maintenance that has to happen on the inverter DC side, you can simply switch off that particular MPPT and then work on that. There's an AC gland. The AC side of the inverter is completely separated, which we will open and discuss. This is it. And we have 4 fans at the bottom, and all these are completely alloys of aluminium, and it's all sturdy. This is nothing made of plastic, so the inverter is built to go rough and tough in any condition. Coming to the AC side of the inverter, it can be opened by using the T25 screw driver which was provided with the inverter, and it's a hinge type of a door, so you can just leave it open like that when you're working. And immediately what you notice after opening the inverter is that this inverter has no neutral. So there is no neutral on this inverter, and a maximum of 240 square mm aluminum armored cable can be terminated on these terminals, and there's a nice plastic gland provided. And this setup here is for communication. This inverter has no inbuilt monitoring. You will have to buy a data manager to monitor the inverter. Connecting it with an energy meter, you are ready for zero export. And if you need DG synchronizing on this inverter, do contact us. We have solutions for that. It's a next generation inverter. The inverter has no display, whereas it has all these LEDs. These LEDs can lit up in combinations to give informations as the inverter is working completely fine, or if there is a warning, a permanent error, these LEDs can blink and show you the information. Information regarding the lights blinking and the signals are given to you in the manual provided. After fixing the handles, the inverter doesn't look so heavy. It can be easily lifted by 2 people. Thank you for watching the video, and we are looking forward to install this inverter, and we'll come up to you with another nice video of how this inverter works and with all the upcoming technologies. Do contact us for sales inquiries on this inverter. Thank you.